Braiding Sweetgrass, Indigenous Wisdom, Scientific Knowledge, and the Teachings of Plants, by Robin Wall Kimmerer, is a non-fiction book that explores the relationship between humans and nature from an indigenous perspective. The author, Robin Wall Kimmerer, is a botanist, ecologist, and a member of the Citizen Potawatomi Nation. The book blends personal narrative, indigenous knowledge, and scientific understanding to offer a unique perspective on the interconnectedness of all living things. If you'd like to listen to this book on Audible for free, you can click the link in the description below. If you'd rather read this book, I've added a link to Amazon. Now back to the summary. The book is structured as a series of essays that touch upon various aspects of the relationship between humans and nature. Kimmerer writes about her own experiences as a member of an indigenous community and a scientist, and the ways in which these two perspectives intersect. She reflects on the importance of respecting the relationships between all living things, and the responsibility we have to care for the earth and its inhabitants. One of the central themes of the book is the idea of reciprocity, or the principle of giving back to the earth and its beings in return for what they provide us. Kimmerer writes about the indigenous practice of offering tobacco to the earth as a sign of respect and gratitude, and how this practice is rooted in a deep understanding of the reciprocal relationships between humans and nature. The book also explores the idea of the interdependence of all living things, and how this relationship can be seen in the way plants, animals, and humans rely on each other for survival. Kimmerer writes about the role of plants in the ecosystem, and how they provide not just food and shelter, but also clean air and water. She also highlights the importance of biodiversity and the role it plays in maintaining the health of the planet. In the book, Kimmerer also touches upon the idea of the more-than-human world, which refers to the idea that the world is comprised of beings and things that are not just human, but have their own intrinsic value and worth. She writes about the ways in which indigenous communities have long recognized and respected the inherent value of the earth and its inhabitants, and how this perspective has been lost in Western societies. Another theme of the book is the importance of rethinking our relationship with nature, and how this can help us better understand and care for the earth. Kimmerer writes about the importance of recognizing the agency of the earth and its beings, and how this can help us develop a more reciprocal and respectful relationship with nature. She also writes about the need to reconnect with the earth through practices such as gardening, hiking, and spending time in nature, and the ways in which this can help us better understand and appreciate the complex relationships between humans and the earth. The book also highlights the importance of learning from indigenous communities and the ways in which their knowledge and understanding of nature can inform and enrich our own understanding of the earth. Kimmerer writes about the value of indigenous knowledge and how this can help us better understand the interconnectedness of all living things, and how this knowledge can be used to inform and guide scientific research. In conclusion, Braiding Sweetgrass is a thought-provoking and inspiring book that explores the relationship between humans and nature from a unique perspective. The author's blend of personal narrative, indigenous knowledge, and scientific understanding offers a powerful message about the importance of respecting the relationships between all living things and the responsibility we have to care for the earth. The book is a call to action, urging us to rethink our relationship with nature and to reconnect with the earth in meaningful ways. Please click the subscribe button and head down to the description below to listen to this book for free on Audible. See you in the next summary.